Welcome to Attack. In this video I will tell you that how to make Google Drive folders available offline. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Drive. Here click on three dots and click on make available offline. Similarly, I will transfer few files and click on make available offline. I will transfer 5 files that I want to use offline later. Then click on three lines. Here you can see offline folder. So you can see all 5 files are available offline. So in this way you can use these files offline. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. Thanks for watching.